look who it is.
It's vloggable.
We got a familiar face over here. Oh, I got to do a fish island so you look
vloggable.
Like
you
don't look fat anymore.
What?
Oh, I can't do it.
Tell me I look fat.
There, now you look way better. Actually, I can see your belly more now. Maybe I should put it back.
Like weight. I'm like in fighting shape. You're the one to get the belly. You got the dad bod. It's vloggable. Have I told you about my Bitcoin?
Oh, God.
Is it going to make me be able to afford a house like that?
Yeah, if you hit it.
Bitcoin, if I hit it. You act like it's a slot machine. Bro, we're not really trying to set a bad example here, but we're vlogging and driving. We're vlogging and driving.
It's vloggable.
Who's going to win the whole shot challenge?
All of them.
I'm calling Dungy.
I'm calling Carmichael because he's so small.
I'm calling Dungy, hometown boy. He's probably been training all week out here.
Who all is in it?
Stewart, Dungy, Carmichael, Tortelli, Rayner.
Oh, Damon Bradshaw.
He never had a whole shot device anyways to start with, so he's probably just gonna be right at home. You can cut stuff, and then you can put it together, and then you can make it sound like we're actually funnier than we are. Let's go hit the whole shot check. Dude, what are you doing? Hey, what's the thread count on that thing?
It's all of them.
You can't just eat those boxes and put them back and expect it to not charge you. They got jump bears. Jeez. Hey! Oh, Jim is showing that big man out. You gonna carry that thing around all night or what?
Nashville.
Whoa.
Camera.
Can't even walk straight. I look like I should be a doctor. Paging Dr. Q. They also call me DQ. Do you know the Wheelie Boys are in Nashville?
How you little spin?
Every time I do a spin around like that, I tear an ACL. Sign up to win. MotoSport.com/win. And you could win this. Along with weekly prizes. Enter every Saturday. JB's back. Sir. Good morning, man.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. Be safe, have fun.
I film you, you film me every week.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, are you a millionaire yet?
Oh, I don't know. You have to tune in on the
You
15th.
kind of was like, but you
You got to
are
tune
you
in on the
just, are you just
15th.
messing with me? Tax days when you get taxed on that million, baby. Oh yeah, while you're at it, like and subscribe to this YouTube page because why wouldn't you? I miss you, buddy. Love you.
Lane on
Oh, Ray Maddox, what's up, buddy? Hey, what are you doing? You're not working?
This is work.
You showed up late, boy. So,
like, I gotta go.
made it just in time. Yeah, buddy. Let's go watch some Super Bowl. The lights are on. It's 12 o'clock in the morning.
How good does Ken Ross's bike look through those whoops? It was so planted, and look, Kenny's amazing. He's one of the best guys in the whoops that we've ever seen in the sport, but still, that Suzuki's
are you feeling to being back on track with things?
I think we're back. It's great to visit my old friend Mr. Hardpack and put rock across the bed for a weekend. So feeling really good right now. The bike's awesome. And yeah, let's go do this again in the second session.
Hey, who we got winning tonight? Act like you don't know anything. Glad you decided to show up.
Made it.
Packing into the truck, we're going riding, boy. Oh, guess where we're going? King of the Castle. First Dunkin' Donuts trip.
time,
for JP.
I'm really I've been there. I know.
Look who it is. Hey, one more cup of coffee and you'll be here, right?
Yeah, that's all I needed. Tried
see you,
so
buddy.
hard to be here.
Good to see you. Glad you showed up.
About 3 hours late.
Dan the man. What's up, buddy?
What's up, dude? How you doing?
You ready to rip? I figured you'd show with gear on. What'd you just drop out of your mouth on my foot? A skittle or a giggle? How sick is this kid? What? Open sesame. Such a fun weekend in Nashville. Going to the Supercross, riding dirt bikes. I've never ridden a track that dusty and had so much fun. So it was a blast. Glad Brooke came with me. Real nice family weekend.
Family?
Besides, we don't have a family. This is the first time we've had or went somewhere without the kids in about 2 years. Brooke, what do you got to say about it? Good weekend?
Can't wait to come back.
Trying to get her to move here, but it's not working so far. Stay tuned. Oh my Lanta.
Brett.
It's a 45-minute wait for the drive-thru at In-N-Out Burger.